Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, error 0x80070522. A required privilege is not held by the client. Type secpoll.msc in Windows search bar. Click secpoll.msc. Click and expand local policies. Click security options. Select and open user account control. Run all administrators in admin approval mode. Check disabled. Click apply, OK. Close and exit local security policy. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.